Hello everyone. So today actually I am setting up my studio once again. So this has been my studio space since 2 to 3 years now. It got actually very dirty and messy and actually very dusty. So I did a deep clean of this whole space and I was setting it up once again. So I thought that okay, let me make this video and show you what is the thought process that goes behind building a studio and how my minimalistic studio space looks like. So this is a walkthrough of the whole room that I use for my studio. So this is a 8 by 12 room over here. And I have actually put these acoustic foams over here, right? This helps reduce echo inside the room. Now they are not 100% of the sound treatment of a studio. I have not done that, but this works very well for me. So that's why I'm happy with it. And I also have a green screen over here with me, right? And there are actually three light sources. So that this is the first light source, second, and the third. Whenever you are setting up a studio or shooting videos, there are three things that you have to take care of in order of importance. The first important thing is the audio. The second important thing is the lighting. And then the third important thing is how you shoot, your camera, your equipments, and all that other stuff. Actually, whenever you set up a studio, right? So everybody would suggest you to start with a completely dark room. So now because I am in Dehradun right now at my home, so this is a room over here which has windows over here. So I have to block these light sources also. Because I have a green screen over here, so I will generally put my tripod over here and try to shoot facing this one. So basically I'll be sitting over there. The light should not come from back. That's the most important thing. So I have two light sources behind my back. So these two light sources should be blocked. So I will be blocking these up. And I actually don't want to make the room completely dark. I don't actually block this light source. I keep this as it is. It gives me a good view of outside, right? But these two light sources are important that I need to block. And over here, if you are curious, this is a small, water purifier that I have. Only because hydration is important, isn't it? So that I can drink water anytime I want to. So this is the whole space. I have an AC installed because, it's very, very important to have an AC inside your studio. When I shoot my videos, I cannot have my fan turned on because when you turn on the fan, then it impacts the audio quality and you will hear the sound of the fan. I'll just set up my table over here. I also want to keep a bed. So I generally, keep my studio space secluded because sometimes I have very long shooting hours. So I keep a table and I also have a single bed which I can fit over here so that if I want to take rest in between the videos, I can take over here. And sometimes when I'm shooting very, very late in the night, so I just sleep in my studio itself, right? Now the table, chair and the bed is all ready, set up. Now what I'll do, I'll just set up my table quickly. So finally, the setup is done now. So here is what it looks like after everything is done. And let me just walk you through once. So this is the table, side table where I keep extra stuff, which I don't need it at that moment. And this is the night lamp. And here is the water purifier. And this is the place where I plan all the videos and everything, all that stuff. And then this is my green screen. So this is the whole setup which I see. And let me just show you how it looks when I sit, right? So this is how it looks. This is the whole view you can see, right? Here is the mic. So whenever I am recording any video, I just, turn on this ring light and it just gives a good glow on my face, and then I can just start recording. Okay, and this is the tripod. If you can see it clearly, this is the tripod where I hang my camera. It gives me the front view. So I generally like to code in vertical screen, right? I can see a lot of code at the moment, and then this is my primary screen, this is the secondary screen. When I'm recording the video, I record this screen. This is the screen where I open up my notes or anything extra that I need. Minimalist setup. I don't keep extra stuff on my table. My space, I just like to keep it clean, right? Don't like clutter all over my place. So this is how everything looks like when I stand up. Here is the bed, this table. Sometimes I like to sit and work on my bed, so I just work over here as well, right? Here is the window, so that I can get to know what's the weather there and what's going on outside, right? And it just also gives me a little natural light. Now this is how it looks like from the other side. Okay, so here generally is the camera and you can see the green screen, right? So this is the view which I record. And then this is how the whole room looks like from my view, right? It's and then yes, you can obviously spot that orange kurta, right? So that's the dress that I have kept on in my studio. Whenever I shoot the videos, I just wear that and then just come sit over here, start the record button and go live, right? So this was the studio setup, my dear friends. Now I like to keep things minimalistic. So I only keep stuff that I actually use daily over here in my studio. Otherwise, I just keep the rest of the gadgets and all that stuff in the other room. When I started YouTube, I knew nothing about lighting, knew nothing about sound, I knew nothing about videography or anything. But over years, I have learned enough that I can make my own videos, and those are really good, at least according to me. I am not a pro videographer or someone, right, who is expert in setting up studios or something, but I can just, use some jugaad to make things work for myself. That's what it is. And I'm very happy that actually I even have a studio today, right? Earlier, I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I used to shoot inside the meeting rooms of my Uber office. So that's how the journey started. And now having my own studio at my home in Dehradun is a very big luxury for me. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Bye bye. Namaste.